Kia ora whānau, ngā mihi nui kia koutou i te wānau, i whakarongo mai ki tēnei pānui, mo te iwi Ngāti Kuia. Kia ora whānau, this week our pānau is looking at the building going on at CT Raukawa. As you can see in the background, we've already started with the foundations and starting to get the framing up. Because we are building now, we're asking that you do not go into the site and that you make sure that when you visit CT Raukawa that you keep away from the building area. In other words, touch with your eyes, but not with your body. I'm just going to pass you over to Dave, and he's going to take you for a bit of a walk around the site and give you a bit more information.
Kia ora tātou katoa i te whānui o Ngāti Kuia. I'm just visiting the Centre of Excellence at Titi Raukawa, where the development of our kānuka processing facility is taking place. Lee Mason and his working crew are making excellent progress, and we hope to be able to send out comms about the exciting new training course that is associated with this facility over the next couple of weeks. This will include a full-time horticulture course and training through NMIT. So whānau, please watch this space and we will provide more updates over the coming weeks. Tēnā rā tātou katoa.